this video, I'm going to show you how you can access the dashboard for your Traffic Authority admin area, and the one tab that you need very definitely to click on before you go any further with it. This is your dashboard area. It's next door to the overview, which we've already seen. Click on your dashboard, and to the right you'll see a video here which will explain about the website rotator. The videos in this section are all very self-explanatory. They explain to you exactly what you've got to do with Traffic Authority and how you go about doing it. The tabs on the right hand side here take you to the traffic store, so you can select your traffic type and your package. All of these are affordable for you. There's a package for every budget. The optimizer again will explain exactly how that works. I won't go through these with you, because once you click into them you'll see exactly what it does, because there's a video just like this here in every one of these here. Now, the most important thing that you do want to do, without any shadow of a doubt, is become a reseller. Because if you become a reseller, it will allow you to get commissions on the Academy, the Optimizer, and the stores. Without being a reseller, you won't get commissions. They'll get passed up to your sponsor or whoever it is that's brought you into Traffic Authority. Big mistake, don't do it. So you click on the resellers, and you can become a reseller very simply. It's just $20 a month, but that will repay itself time over quite happily. Once you've done that, that will then give you access to all of your dashboard area and your back office, which we'll go into in another video. Very simply walk through the whole lot of it. But that's how you access the dashboard area and of your Traffic Authority back office. Thanks very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the bell button, hit the thumb to like it, and feel free to comment as well if you want to